Hey moms, good morning. And a lot of moms have asked me to show this calendar once again. So this is my September calendar, and as you can see, it's already filled. So just giving you a closer look to this. So on the top, I have written the food options for the lunch, which I will be preparing for Vivan. And on each and every day, there are like the activities which I want him to do. So to keep it like very simple, and to tell you how you can do it, how you can actually DIY the daily activities with your kid, I think this comes really handy. Okay, so to give it like an actual example, so like we are on 13th of September today, and it says puzzle, pre-writing, pasting, and time. Okay, so taking this forward, I will show you that how do I set up the activities for Vivan. So like you saw pasting, so that's our one art and craft activity. So here's a scissor in the box with a lot of paper. He'll cut it. I have made a shape here with a stencil, and he'll open the glue. He needs to put the glue, cut the pieces, and put it here. So that's a simple pasting activity. It's already ready. It's just like 9:30 here in the morning, and the first thing once Vivan is off to school, that's what I do. I check my calendar and I try and pick up things. If I have time, I'll create an activity, and if I'm like super busy for the day and there are a lot of things on my table, then I don't do that. We have a lot of books, like really nice books, which you can actually use to prepare your activities. You don't need to actually make an activity with your hands and by like drawing it or like taking out prints. So I think simple, if you have books and all, you can like create a simple activity. Okay, going forward, you saw there's pre-writing. So this is something which I had you would have already seen in my last video, and so this is what I'm taking out now. So there's one number activity where he has to write as a skip counting thing, and then he has to trace these three alphabets. Okay, either I will be giving this, so I'm showing like I have this also ready with me, and I have my books also. So today I'll be using this, but like if you have these handy books which are like easily available in the market, you can pick up one and like one page, whatever you want to write. So whatever you're telling them to do, as in pre-writing or actual writing or coloring, you can just take one page, write the date, and keep it open and let them do it. So this is how I would have done it for Vivan. Like it says 13 September 2006, and once if he's done with this and he wants to do more, then he can write numbers here also. Okay, so going forward for the language, I have another book here which is English workbook. It's by Learners Press, and I bought it from India, very cheap, 82 rupees. A lot of good stuff in the book for pre-writing, for matching, so we really enjoy. So alphabet T again, because we are doing alphabet T here. Okay, and he's writing at the moment, so just to reinforce, we can do this page also. So it's very simple to create an activity. You can just do one language, one activity, because we do Hindi in India, and a lot of other countries we do different languages. So here Vivan is learning Bahasa, which is a local language here. So he does that in the school, so I don't do it here with me, but we do a lot of rhymes, and we are still learning numbers in Bahasa, but not writing as such. But here you can include your Hindi. So as you have numbers here, you have your vocab, which is like English here. You can do one crafty and paste activity. Okay, and then you saw in my calendar it was time and puzzles. So I've taken out these three puzzles for our puzzle time, and we'll be doing these three. So if I'm open to him, he's pretty open for that, because if he wants to do only two, I'm open to that. He can just pick up which two he wants to do, and then we'll just follow that. Okay, so my time board is also here, so that's my clock, and we'll be learning again about how to put the numbers, how to put the hands. So minute hand and hour hand, and we're not doing seconds hand at the moment. Then I have this little flashcard with me which talks about digital clock, and then the cards with which he has to see. So they're here, so like 5 o'clock, and then he needs to make 5 o'clock here. So the yellow one will go here, and the 12 will come here. Okay, it's pretty difficult to do with one hand, I think. Yeah, okay, so once I will be presenting this, then he has to make it like this. Then we have 8, he'll do like this, and then we have 8:30, and we have 9:30. So Vivan has been already introduced to this. So today there's nothing new which I'll be adding. So it's just a basic regular thing which we'll be doing, and just as a reinforcement. So this is what is based as per the calendar. Okay, so the food menu is already done. So it is rice with a lot of vegetables and yogurt. So that's what's happening for the lunch, and the 2 extra games which I was supposed to take it out so that we can do it in the evening during our game time. So this is like completely on mummy's wish. Okay, so we have here color code by the Smart Games. So we'll be doing this, and then we'll be doing this as logical sequence. This we have been already doing it for like couple of months now, but it's just reinforcement. We haven't done it for many weeks, so I just want to take it up and I'll present it to him, and he will just match it. And first we'll do this, and then we'll do this one. Yeah, so because what I really want him to do today is something which I'll present him first, and once he's done, I'll give him something which he's already familiar with. So this one we are already following. So I think we're already on 38 or 39. Yeah, we're already on 38. So we'll be doing from here 39, or maybe 3 or 4 we'll be doing. Okay, so this is the way, guys, I actually prepare, and I keep it like all set here on the table once he's back from school, and that's when we start doing it. So it's a very easy peasy calendar with 2 books reading. Oops, sorry, my books are missing because we already did a book in the morning once I was dropping him back to school, and the other book is in the room somewhere. Okay, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, if you want me to like do further like more a video which is like more integrated, more briefing, where you need me to tell more details about the activities, do let me know. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.